In this short tutorial, I will show you how to play Ludo in Messenger. Ludo is a fun and exciting game that you can play with your friends online. To get started, open up the Messenger app and then tap and select the conversation with the person that you want to play Ludo with. After that, tap on the plus button at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then tap on this button. Then scroll down and find the Ludo game. If you can't see it here, exit the Messenger app and open up the Facebook mobile application. Then tap on the search button at the top right. And then type in Ludo. Now you'll see two Ludo game options. Simply tap on the play button to start the game. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.